Hello, and thank you for joining us at The Point. I'm Shane Brixey, Director of Field Services for Setpoint, and joining me is Mike O'Shaughnessy, Field Service Manager for Setpoint. We want to talk to you today about the advantages of field service. And so let's just jump into this discussion. Mike, I think the best way to talk about the advantages of field service is maybe just give an example, like maybe a customer call you've had and the issues you faced.
Yeah. Recently we got a call from a customer, Jim Smith. Jim had an 8-inch actuated ball valve that wouldn't open, couldn't get the valve open, had a unit down. Jim asked how quickly we could have the valve repaired and have it back on site. The unit being down was costing them a considerable amount of money, and he really was looking for a resolution as soon as possible.
Yeah, no, we understand that with our customer. Time is money, and so it's often we get calls like this to our team, with same issues, and the customers don't really understand completely our field service capabilities and that value add that we have for on-site troubleshooting and on-site repairs.
Yeah, so that's the exact reason that I recommended to Jim that we send a field service technician out first. We could possibly diagnose the problem quickly, eliminate the time that it would take to send the valve to the shop, transportation, and we could possibly do an inline repair if needed on the valve. So at that point, all we really needed to do was find the right technician for the job.
Yeah, I remember that call out, man. It was right in the middle of turnaround season, right? Our guys are stretched out everywhere, but we have this large field service team, so we're able to go in our field service tracker, look and see the availability, make sure the ones that are available have the right certifications, and we dispatched 2 guys to that site that day.
Yeah, the guys gave me a call about an hour after they made it to site. Needed a new positioner. Positioner was bad on the currently installed one. Positioner wasn't sending a command to the air solenoid to open the valve. So once they got the positioner installed, we keep a large stock of positioners in all Setpoint warehouses. So I was able to get one pulled and sent to them, but once they got it installed, the valve opened, got the unit back online, completed the job safely and efficiently.
Yeah, another great example of a job that we got done in a fraction of the time and cost that it would have been if they had sent it to the shop for a full repair when it wasn't necessary. It was a small fix for us to get out there and just kind of troubleshoot and get it done. And that's the benefit of having this field service team that are well-trained, certified, and we can just react quickly to these situations and eliminate this production loss and unnecessary costs.
Yeah, the Setpoint Field Service team is a valuable offering to the Setpoint service component. So what can Setpoint Field Service do for you?
More to come from The Point.